I'd like to start this video off by saying I am not a financial advisor. Should you choose to invest in Bitcoin or any other asset, do your own research or seek the advice of an actual financial advisor. Now, I am sure that you are all aware of this, but for those of you who have been not paying any attention or living under a rock, Bitcoin has broken out. And it has broken out with quite a bit of force. As you can see here, we have taken off and we are currently at $11,900. So, that breakout has not only broken us above the long anticipated $10,500, which was the peak of the last pump and the pump prior to that, it has also broken us out of the 3-year long consolidation pattern that Bitcoin has been in since its $20,000 peak. This is the consolidation pattern that I was referring to, the consolidation pattern that we've created from the $20,000 peak. We've broken out of it. We have a confirmed breakout. We have a confirmed breakout as far as the monthly goes, actually, and that's pretty fucking bullish. Also, on the monthly here, you can see that we closed above any close that happened during the 2019 mini bull run. Also bullish, so that's basically a higher close on the macro level. So that's just another confirmation that we have started heading towards the upside from here. Now, basically though, what I wanted to point out is the fact that we have broken out this consolidation pattern, and since we did, we have essentially started the next phase of the cycle, which is basically probably an elongated parabolic phase. I mean, there is evidence that suggests that the market cycles are getting longer, so it would likely take us a longer time to reach the peak than it did last time. But anyways, the last time we were in a consolidation pattern for quite some time, when we broke it, we started a parabolic phase towards the upside. So that gives you an idea of what to expect after we break this one, and now that we have broken out of it, yeah, just be prepared for a ride. Okay, so I gotta point out something here. We're still on a monthly, by the way. This here is the RSI, and currently we are just above 60. We're roughly at 62, 63 on the RSI, which is about 7 or 8 points shy of being overbought. Now, I want to point out something here. When Bitcoin goes in overbought, you can see Bitcoin stays overbought for quite some time. This back in 2017's run, you could see that it was overbought during the duration of its entire parabolic run. Just about the same thing here back in 2013. So when Bitcoin gets in the overbought territory on a monthly, it's a good sign that you're going to see a lot more upside. Now, another thing that you can see is from the RSI is that Bitcoin's price action on the RSI, it shows a sine wave, basically. Bitcoin is in a cycle. It has its peaks, and then it goes down to neutral, then peaks, neutral, and as you can see, we've already started our run up towards the next peak. We haven't even entered overbought territory yet, so like I said, once Bitcoin does get into overbought territory, there's still likely to be a lot more upside after it reaches overbought territory. So we still got some ways to go. Bitcoin broke this pattern here, so it closed the monthly above 10,800, which was above the high that was back in 2018 or 2019. So that's a macro level higher high as far as closes go. But not only that, it closed outside the consolidation pattern, which was probably the most important thing there. It shows that we breached that consolidation pattern, thereby starting the next part of the cycle. We are in a bull market. A bull market is technically defined by the fact that the 50 daily and the 200 daily moving averages would have to have a golden cross, which means the 50 goes up over the 200 daily moving average, and the price action would have to be above the 200 daily moving average. Bull market. We've been in a bull market since the golden cross that happened a while back. So this more or less is just more confirmation that we are there. The price is going to be going up from here. Don't be surprised if we have quite a few corrections though, because Bitcoin's price doesn't just go straight up. If you look back on 2017 here, you can see there was a correction here, see a correction here, here, here. it's not fun to endure the corrections, but if you hold on, you'll be all right. Or you can take profits at each of those peaks. It depends on whatever your strategy is. Just be prepared for one hell of a ride. That's all I can really say there. But whether or not Bitcoin is in a bull run and has started its bull run or whatever, yes, Bitcoin is in a bull run as far as I can see, and as far as many other people can see as well. So I hope you're prepared. If you're not, you better get prepared, because the rockets are leaving. The rockets are taking off. With that, I think that's all I really have for you guys today. The current price of Bitcoin is roughly $11,938. That's not roughly, that's exactly. I don't know why I said roughly, but regardless, yeah.